Guys, your right hand is just as important as your left hand. Some may argue it's more important. Rhythm is everything. In this video, we're gonna do a lesson. I'm gonna teach you 2 beginner strumming patterns, and we're gonna do it to the tune of Tom Petty's Running Down a Dream, okay? This is gonna be really cool, and I'm gonna show you how to mix the 2 and create this really cool dynamic at the end of this video. Welcome to MyPOVGuitar. My name is Brandon. Guys, before we get started, I wanna tell you, I can't believe I'm doing this. This is stupid. I mean, like, this is really stupid. The beginner course is about to go up to its regular price. I've been running this thing at a discount, and it's about to go up to $2.99. For a limited time, I'm gonna do a flash sale, and I'm gonna run this thing at $49.99. To say this thing is a value is the understatement of the year. It's worth $2.99 for the things you get in it, the basics of how to hold the guitar, how to tune the guitar, how to hold the pick, reading chord diagrams, tablature, rhythm. It's a steal at $2.99. I'm discounting this for a limited time during this sale. Get in now. There's gonna be a timer on the website. You can see how long you have to get it. There's no excuse not to get it. If you've been on the fence thinking, well, you know, I gotta get my budget right, $49.99. That's what some people charge for one lesson, okay? Guys, let's get into this lesson, and I'm gonna teach you these rhythms, these strumming patterns, and we're gonna have fun doing it because it's Tom Petty and he's always fun. And I'm gonna show you from your point of view. Okay, guys, we're just gonna do the verse part of this song. The chorus is a little more complicated. The rhythm is a little more complicated with a never would come to me. You know, we're not gonna get there yet. That could possibly be the next lesson. Let's just do the verses, okay? And the reason I picked this song, it has 2 chords in the verses, okay? Okay, so there's 2 chords, E major and D major. If you know how to make a D sus2, where you pick up your middle finger, where you don't have to make 3 fingers on that D, if that's easier for you, you can do that as well. I'm gonna show you a really cool thing at the end of this video with a D sus2 of this song. But the actual song is E major, D major, okay? That's it for the verses. And we'll put the verse up, okay, so you can see how it's laid out. So we're just gonna strum once to show you where the chord changes are. It was a beautiful day, the sun beat down, I had the radio on, I was driving. Trees went by, me and Dale were singing, a little runaway, I was flying. By the way, check out how to make that riff. I do a lesson on that. It's really cool and pretty easy, actually. Okay, so there's the changes. So a beautiful day, it stays on that chord for a long time. The sun beat down, I had the radio on, I was driving. Trees went by, me and Dale were singing, a little runaway, I was flying. Okay? The first strumming pattern we're gonna do is gonna be down, 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 up, down, up, okay? And you kind of focus on that second 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and one thing I teach my students is if you're having trouble, especially on chord changes, so like when you do that strumming pattern, you're going to the D, if it takes you a minute to get there, you actually have a little bit of time to make that chord, because say like on this strumming pattern, on that first 1, you can actually just hit the bass note. Let me get that focused in on the right hand so you can, okay? So, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and see. If it takes you a minute on that first, you don't have to strum the whole thing full on that 1. If you just, as long as you get to that bass note, and then collect yourself, get it on the second one, okay? So let's run through this one time, and I'll show you how to count it, okay? So it's down, 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 up, okay? So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and So guys, that's just repetition, okay? Let me show you how this kind of works in this song. Kind of get the rhythm going, you know, trying to get it in a trance, your right hand, just keep getting it. It was a beautiful day, the sun beat down, I had the radio on, I was driving, trees went by, me and Dale were singing a little runaway. I was flying. Okay? Now it's gonna be hard to sing and do that at the same time, but I just wanted to give you how that would work. And then, you know, as you get better at it, okay? So guys, one more time, I'm going to show you how to count it, and then we're going to do the down, up, and just get, the thing is muscle memory, just keep doing this, okay? Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and guys, just keep working with that. You'll use that strumming pattern, and before long, you won't even have to think about it. You'll just naturally, it'll be in your arsenal of tools that you can use. Okay, guys, let's learn another pattern, and this one might be more fun for you because it's funny, and I'm going to show you later with a metronome how I'm still playing at the same speed, but how you strum makes a song feel slower or faster, right? And I told you that first when we were doing. It's just got kind of chugs along. This is totally different, okay? Because this is going to be down, up, 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 okay? Constantly. So to count this one, it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, let's see how this goes with the song. It was a beautiful day, the sun beat down, I had the radio on, I was driving, trees went by, me and Dale were singing a little runaway. I was flying. It sounds a little faster even when you're playing it slow, right? And guys, one thing to keep in mind, and go back and watch some of my other rhythm videos, you know, strumming on the E major, you get to strum all 6 strings. When you switch to that D major, you're strumming from the 4th down. You can hit that A string, the 5th down, and it's still gonna be okay, but you can't hit all 6. So your right hand needs to know to drop when you change chords. Okay, you're free, all 6. But you got to close that off a little bit, right? Close that strumming down a little bit, okay? Be sure to do that, otherwise it's going to sound really messy and clunky. Okay, so be sure you're doing that. Okay guys, we'll go over the count one more time with that. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? It's pretty straightforward. That's a good one to build muscle memory too. It's pretty easy to do. We've already talked about how the different strumming patterns already gives a different flavor to the song, and you can play it at the same speed, okay? What would happen if you combine the two? Now again, it's going to take you a minute to do this, but if you play that first strumming pattern, that 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and on just the E, and then go to the 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 on the D, listen to what it does to this song. It was a beautiful day. The sun beat down. I had the radio on. I was driving. It gives it this like desert feel to me. It's like this Arizona night drive through the desert. It's just because it's that push and pull on the two ways of playing, and it kind of opens up with that. And that's what I was telling you. If you want to just play the D sus2 on that, it sounds actually better than the regular D if you switch up your strumming patterns. It was a beautiful day. The sun beat down. I had the radio on. I was driving. Anyway, guys, that's just a little fun thing to help give that more dynamics while you're learning these simple chord strums, you know? And it just makes it more interesting, keep you doing it. It gives you something challenging, but it's not overwhelming. And I'm going to show you again these two ways of playing with a metronome and just show you I'm playing at the same speed, but it gives the song, it makes the song feel faster when you play it one way versus the other. Guys, if you haven't already, I would invest in a metronome app on my phone, okay? I use Metronome Beats, it's free. It has little ads that pop up or whatever, but it's down at the bottom, you don't even notice. Pretty user-friendly. You just, you scroll for the beats per minute. But I want to show you these two different strumming patterns with a metronome, how we're going to play to the beat. Even though one sounds like it's way faster, it's not. Now I'm going to do this at 80 beats per minute, which is really slow. I don't even know what this song is done in, but it's fast. It's not 80 beats per minute, okay? But just to show you. And you have these on Metronome Beats, you have the red line that goes across. But you also have the 1, 2, 3, 4. This will help you with your learning these and counting these rhythms, right? Let me show you. We're going to do the down, 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 up one first, okay? That sounds slower at 80 beats per minute. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2. If you notice, when I'm counting 1, 2, 3, and 4, you know, whenever I say the number, I'm on that number of the yellow dot. That's how you know you're doing it right, right? And then for the other one, which is down, up, down, up, down, up, let's let it get back to the beginning. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and. So guys, there's just an example of how I'm still keeping the same time. I'm just choosing to strum differently, and it gives it a speeding and slowing effect. That's the beautiful thing with music. There's so many dynamics that the more you play, you'll start to realize, and it's the little things that matter, a tweak here, a tweak there, and will make the difference. That's what makes guitar players sound unique. is learning these dynamics. Guys, go to MyPOVGuitar.com and get that course now at $49.99. I'm never going to do this again. I can't believe I'm doing it now. I'm practically giving it away. It's going to go up to $2.99. Check the link in the description. And if this helped you, please comment. Please get with me and tell me that this helped you. And if you want to learn the chorus, let me know. We'll get to the chorus next. But work on these rhythms. These are two simple starting out beginner rhythms that you'll use forever. This is a foundational building block. Guys, we'll see you in the next lesson.